1, 0.
Welcome to an extraordinary journey where we'll explore the captivating tale of India's Chandrayaan missions. Developed by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, these lunar exploration missions have pushed the boundaries of scientific knowledge and technological capabilities.
But before we begin, let's take a moment to appreciate ISRO's astounding achievements. With over 100 spacecraft and launch missions, ISRO has firmly established itself as a force in the field of space exploration. By collaborating with prestigious agencies like NASA, ESA, JAXA, and Roscosmos, ISRO has become a key player in the international space community. ISRO's motto, "Space Technology in the Service of Humankind," reflects its mission-driven approach to space exploration. Through numerous successful missions, ISRO has expanded our understanding of the cosmos and propelled us into the future. Chandrayaan means moon vehicle in Sanskrit, and these missions are aimed at studying the lunar surface and its environment. India is one of the few countries in the world that has successfully launched and operated lunar missions, demonstrating its scientific and technological capabilities. In this video, we will learn about the objectives, achievements, and challenges of the Chandrayaan missions and how they have contributed to our understanding of the Moon. The first Chandrayaan mission, Chandrayaan-1, was launched on October 22, 2008, using a PSLV rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India.
It carried 11 scientific instruments from India and other countries, including NASA and ESA. The mission had two main components: an orbiter that circled the Moon at an altitude of 100 kilometers, and an impactor probe that crashed into the lunar surface near the South Pole. The orbiter performed remote sensing and mapping of the Moon for about a year, while the impactor probe carried out a chemical analysis of the lunar soil. The Moon Mineralogy Mapper, M3 instrument of NASA, confirmed the detection of water molecules on the Moon, which was one of Chandrayaan-1's major discoveries. This finding was surprising and exciting, as it suggested that there may be water ice hidden in the polar regions of the Moon, which could be a valuable resource for future exploration and colonization. Chandrayaan-1 also provided valuable data on the mineralogy, topography, and geology of the Moon. The second Chandrayaan mission, Chandrayaan-2, was launched on July 22, 2019, using a GSLV Mk3 rocket from the same launch site. It carried 3 modules: an orbiter that remained in orbit around the Moon, a lander named Vikram that attempted to soft land near the South Pole, and a rover named Pragyan that was supposed to explore the lunar terrain. The mission aimed to study the lunar surface in more detail, especially the polar regions where water ice may exist. However, due to a technical glitch during the final descent phase, Vikram lost contact with ISRO and crashed on the Moon on September 7, 2019. The rover was also lost, as it was inside Vikram. This was a heartbreaking moment for ISRO and the millions of Indians who were following the mission with hope and enthusiasm. ISRO spent multiple fruitless days trying to track down and contact Vikram. Despite this setback, the orbiter continued to function normally and transmitted high-resolution images and data of the Moon. It also located Vikram's crash site with its onboard camera. The orbiter has a mission life of 7 years and carries 8 instruments that can measure various aspects of the lunar environment. The third Chandrayaan mission, Chandrayaan-3, was launched on July 14, 2023, using a LVM-3 rocket from Sriharikota. It consists of an indigenous propulsion module, a lander module, and a rover, with the objective of developing and demonstrating new technologies required for interplanetary missions. The propulsion module will carry the lander and rover from injection orbit to a 100 kilometers lunar orbit. It also carries a spectropolarimetry of habitable planetary Earth shape payload to study the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit. The lander module is similar to Vikram but with improved design and features. It will attempt to soft land near the South Pole again and deploy the rover. The rover is also similar to Pragyan, but with enhanced mobility and sensors. It will perform a series of path-breaking experiments during its 14-day mission life. Chandrayaan 3 is said to be the most cost-effective space mission as compared to previous missions. It has an estimated budget of $75 million. The Chandrayaan missions are not only a matter of pride for India, but also a source of inspiration for other countries and aspiring space explorers. They have shown that with determination, innovation, and collaboration, anything is possible in space science. They have also advanced our knowledge of the Moon and its potential for future exploration and utilization. The Moon is our nearest neighbor in space and offers many opportunities for scientific discovery, resource development, and human settlement. However, it also poses many technical, environmental, and ethical challenges that need to be addressed carefully. As NASA Chief Bill Nelson said after congratulating ISRO on Chandrayaan 3 launch, India is demonstrating leadership in space exploration by launching its third lunar mission. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the Chandrayaan missions of ISRO. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you for watching.